In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Windows 10 faster. Whether you're dealing with slowdowns or just want to optimize your system's performance, these steps will help you keep your computer running smoothly. So let's get started. First, we begin by accessing a tool that comes with Windows 10, which is incredibly helpful for freeing up space and boosting speed. You'll want to press the Windows key on your keyboard. This key is usually located on the lower left side, marked with 4 squares or the Windows logo. Once you've pressed it, your start menu will pop up. In the search bar that appears, type Disk Cleanup. This tool is a system utility that cleans up unnecessary files on your computer, and it's a great way to free up valuable disk space that can contribute to a faster running system. After typing Disk Cleanup, you should see it pop up in the search results. Click on it to open the application. Now that you have Disk Cleanup open, you'll see a list of different types of files that you can delete. These might include temporary internet files, delivery optimization files, and thumbnails, to name a few. Take a moment to look through the options available. If you're unsure what each category means, you can click on them to get a brief description. You typically want to select files that are safe to delete, like temporary and cached files, as these won't affect your personal data or programs. After you've selected the files you'd like to remove, look for the option that says Clean Up System Files. When you click on this, the Disk Cleanup tool will relaunch with some additional options, allowing you to delete more system-related files that can further help improve performance. It's a good opportunity to clean out files created by Windows updates, which can accumulate over time. Once you've checked off the additional files you'd like to clean up, simply click OK. The tool will ask you to confirm that you want to delete these files. Click Delete Files when prompted, and the cleanup process will begin. Depending on how many files are being removed, this might take a few minutes. Be patient, as allowing the process to complete will ensure that your system is properly optimized. And that's it. These steps can help speed up your Windows 10 computer, making it faster and more efficient. Doing this periodically, perhaps once a month or when you notice a slowdown, is a great practice for keeping your system in top shape. Try these steps out and experience a more responsive machine. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips on how to optimize and enhance your tech experiences.